I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add data to your health app on your iPhone manual. So first we'll open up our health app. We can just swipe down on the home menu and type in health. Next we'll click browse on the bottom right, and then let's pick a category. For instance, let's say we're going to go into activity, and I'm going to add steps because I left my phone at home. And I went to Disneyland on Tuesday the 16th, but my phone died, so that's perfect. I can add some data here because there was definitely more steps than were recorded. So we'll select the day, whichever one you want. I'm going to select this Tuesday, and we'll click add data on the top right. Now here, as you can see, it doesn't show the exact date that I selected, so we'll click into the date and then we'll select it here. And at the time, let's just put whatever time works for you, but I'm going to say 4 p.m. And then we'll click on steps, and I'm going to add an extra 10,000 steps because half of my day was not recorded. Then when you're ready, click add. And as you can see, we can go to that particular date. 10,000 steps were added, and now it is tracked in our health app. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.